Investing in the stock market, ideas and advice. Investing can be the path to financial security, as well as the road to bankruptcy. While luck can play a part in it, you should do your homework and know what you are getting into. Make sure that you go into investing with your eyes wide open. Use the advice from this video to help you make the most of your investments. A great tip that most investors could use is to make a rule where you automatically sell off your stocks if they go down in value by about 8% of the original stock price. Lots of times stockholders are praying for a rebound that never comes, and they end up losing even more money. Base your portfolio on a steady foundation of strong, solid stocks when investing for the long term. Active trading can prove profitable in the short term, but it requires a great deal of time and dedication. If you cannot pay constant attention to the market, purchase reputable, consistent stocks and hold on to them. It may seem counterintuitive, but the best time to buy your investments is when they have fallen in value. Buy low/sell high is not a worn-out adage. It is the way to success and prosperity. Do your due diligence to find sound investment candidates, but don't let fear keep you from buying when the market is down. Consider investing in index mutual funds. These funds buy and hold the stocks of the companies that comprise one of the major stock indices. These funds allow you the chance to capitalize on the returns of the overall stock market, without excessive fees or sector risk. These funds also require very little maintenance or attention. As already noted, investing can lead you financial security or it could cause you to lose everything. While being lucky can make the difference, it is knowledge and wise decisions that are the things that you can control. Use the information from this video to be able to make the most informed decisions when investing your hard-earned cash. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.